So to install AWS CLI, so you go on Google and type AWS CLI download. So I'll click on this first option. So depending on the operating system you are using, so I'm using Windows, so I'll download for Windows. So you can see Linux, Mac, Windows. So I'll go with Windows. So you can see it here, download. I'll click on it. So it's downloading. So it has finished. I'll just click on it. So I'll click next. I'll accept terms. I'll click next. I'll click next. I'll click install. I'll click yes. So I'll wait for you to finish. Now it has completed, so I can click finish. To confirm it's working, so you can come to your terminal CMD and type AWS, enter. So you can see that it didn't complain that it's not found. So since you do AWS help and all of that. So that shows that it's working already.